Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Asalee.
So these are the moves for Asalee's Yankee Doodle. So I'll show once and then you can show, okay? So you hold the microphone like this, so your mouth is aimed at the middle, not like this.
Okay.
Like this. We go Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. So it's just those four moves. So it's and then and So I'll show one more time. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. So for handy, you go like, tilt your head a little bit like, okay, be careful. Like if you're telling a little child, all right, now remember. Can you tilt your head like that? Okay. And for keep it up, it's like a cheerleader. And same for dandy. It's like, hooray. And then mind the music. It's like, have you ever heard somebody say, mind your mother? It means listen. Listen to your mother. So it's saying like, listen to the music. That's what mind the music. It's like, pay attention to the music. So can you try? Come hold the microphone.
Yeah.
All right, so hold your microphone up to your mouth. Remember, not that way. Remember, point at that. Yep. So hands at your side.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Good. So if you just do that for each chorus, that'll give a little something. Oh, and then at the end, let's take your bow. Stand all the way up, smile, and say, Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day?
Can you say that?
What does that mean?
It's Happy 4th of July.
Happy Independence Day!
But not like this. Hold your arms out like this.
Happy Independence Day!
Oh, you'll have to put the microphone. So it's like put one arm up like this. You'll have to hold the microphone by your mouth.
Happy Independence Day!
There you go. So let's try the whole thing. So you're like this.
Oh,
Hold out your arms, both arms, to take your bow. Like hold your arms up like this. Take your bow, hands back up, then put your microphone up to your mouth and say,
Happy
Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
And then you can put your arms down and you're all done. Let's do the chorus one more time. So microphone up. Yankee Doodle.
I got this by myself.
Okay.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Find the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And then hands out. Take your bow. Stand all the way up. And say,
Happy anniversary.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Hooray! Okay.
At least I won't.